Goa government issues SOP for home isolation of COVID asymptomatic patient in Goa. Following is the SOP issued by Goa government. In continuation to revise guidelines for home isolation of very mild, pre-symptomatic, asymptomatic COVID-19 cases issued by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare dated 2nd July 2020, the following SOP is given for home isolation of COVID asymptomatic persons in Goa. First, any asymptomatic person desiring to be under home isolation will make a request to the collector, deputy collector concerned to permit him/her to be in home isolation through email on the official email ID. Second, the undertaking on self-isolation as per the annexure will be enclosed with the application. Third, on receipt of the application along with the undertaking, the collector, deputy collector shall forward to the medical officer concerned in whose jurisdiction the said person is residing. Fourth, the medical officer shall ascertain the health status of the person and return the application to the collector, deputy collector with recommendation for home isolation if found eligible. Fifth, on receiving the recommendation of the medical officer, the collector, deputy collector shall permit the person to be under home isolation with the condition to update the health status to the local health officer as advised by the health department. Sixth, the permission will be communicated to the village panchayat municipality concerned. On receipt of this information, the village panchayat municipality shall paste a sticker in the house mentioning that the family is under home isolation. Seventh, each collector, deputy collector shall maintain separate register of such person in home isolation in the following format: serial number, name of the person, address, phone number, name of the health officer, start date of home isolation and date of home isolation. 8th, the taluka-wise detail of the person under home isolation shall be submitted by 4 p.m. to the collectorate on the respective WhatsApp group. 9th, randomly checks have to be conducted to ensure that the monitoring of home isolation is carried out. 10th, the village panchayat municipality shall monitor the person in home isolation and ensure that the person or the family does not violate the home isolation norms. The following is the undertaking on self-isolation. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.